How to turn off scene status on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn the scene status on or off on Viber. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Viber app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the menu section, simply tap on settings and after that select privacy. Now here in the privacy section, simply find the option labeled send scene status option. So if you don't want others to know when you have read their messages, simply tap on it to turn it off. And if you have decided to enable it again, simply just tap on it to switch it on. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.